In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give the perfect explanation to a short response question and gain the maximum 2 points. So we have a past exam question. A student draws the two rectangles shown below, rectangle A and rectangle B. The student thinks the two rectangles have the same areas but different perimeters. Is the student correct? Explain your answer and you get your 2 points. So in order to get your 2 points, in your explanation, be sure to include the areas and the perimeters of the rectangles. So let's go step by step and follow along. So first we're going to find the areas and the perimeters of the two rectangles. So let's start with rectangle A. So rectangle A. Rectangle A. Area equals 8 times 5. That is length times width, area of rectangle. And that is equal to 40 units. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or we can say 2 times side length plus width. But let's go around and add the sides. 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, and that is 26 equals 26. So area is 40 and perimeter is 26. Now rectangle B. Area equals length times width, that is 10 times 4, and that is equal to 40. Perimeter equals 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4, and that is equal to 28. So we have found the areas and we have found the perimeters. So we have found the areas and the perimeters. So the area of rectangle A is 40 and the area of rectangle B is also 40. The perimeter of rectangle A is 26 and the perimeter of rectangle B is 28. Now, is the student correct? The student said the student thinks the two rectangles have the same area, and as we can see here, the student is correct right there, but different perimeter, and we can also see different perimeter, so the student is also correct with the perimeter, correct with the area, what he thinks about the area being the same, and correct with what he thinks about the perimeters being different. So is the student correct? The answer is yes. But we're going to be trying to get 2 maximum points, so we're going to explain our answers. And remember, to get the 2 maximum points, you have to explain, mentioning what we just did. So our explanation would sound like this, exactly what we said. The student is correct because both areas are 40 and the perimeters are different because one is 26 and one is 28. So we're going to have to write our response. And this is what we need to write. Is the student correct? Explain your answer. The student is correct because both of the areas are 40 and the perimeters are 26 and 28. Exactly what we said, exactly what we did. Just be specific and precise. And there you'll get your 2 points, and that's your perfect answer. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And tune in for more problem-solving videos of similar nature and many more.